CROWNFUL Smart Air Fryer, 10.6 quart large Wi-Fi convection toaster oven combo with Rotisserie&Dehydrator. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant, accessories and online cookbook included. Smart Control Air Fryer. The CROWNFUL app lets you control the air fryer, change the time and temperature, read in-app recipes, and keep an eye on the cooking process. The air fryer can also be managed by Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. To access the choices for remote control on your smartphone, you can download the CROWNFUL app. This culinary tool has various kitchen appliance functions. It can bake, fry, roast, cook, dehydrate, reheat, toast, and grill, among other things. Everything in one handy device. Food cooked in the air fryer oven with 360 degrees hot air circulation technology is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside while using little to no oil. You can enjoy your favorite food without having to worry about the extra calories and fats. The digital touchscreen control panel on this air fryer oven makes it simpler to check the time, temperature, and cooking settings and to effortlessly operate these features with your fingers. There are 8 additional cooking tools included with it: a rotisserie basket, 2 removal tools, 2 mesh racks, a drip tray, and a rotisserie shaft. Get best price and discount for this item. Click link in description.